Today I'm going to use this white onion to make a relish. Let's start. Start by cutting onion in half and making thin slices. Now separate the layers. This should make about 2 cups of relish. Soak onion in ice cold water for 15 to 30 minutes. After 15 to 30 minutes, drain all water out and pat dry onion with a nice clean towel. Transfer onion to a bowl. Add chopped mint, lemon juice, paprika, and sea salt. Mix everything well. Make sure all onion pieces are covered in the spice mix. And if you like your relish on the sweeter side, add 1 teaspoon of brown sugar or 1 teaspoon of honey. I usually skip this step and let it sit at room temperature for about 30 minutes. And that's it, it's ready. Use it on sandwiches, salads,